tungkol doon sa your motion for the issuance of summons, hindi ba premature? Kasi as of now, kahit na mag-meeting sila, the impeachment court ay hindi pa nagko-convene. So wala pa silang power to issue summons. Any comment, sir?
Yung aming ginawa is in accordance with their rules of procedure sa impeachment proceedings ng Senado, na pag mayroong i-file ay within 10 days bibigyan ng pagkakataon ang officer who is being sought to be impeached to answer in a period of 10 days. Parang ginigising lang namin, ito yung rules ninyo po. Kung may power sila o wala, nasa kanilang quorum, nasa kanilang decision po yan. Pero yan po ang ginawa nilang rules of procedure.
Okay, sir, applying the Senate rules na kinukot po ninyo, is it safe to say na the House Prosecution Panel is pressuring the Senate to convene as impeachment court?
And we are not pressuring. We are doing our job. Sabi ko nga kanina, gusto rin namin mangampanya. Pero kami naman ang magkakaroon ng culpable violation of the Constitution pag hindi namin ginawa ang aming tungkulin.